Okay, one of the things that broke on this trip, nothing major, but thank heavens I had an extra hose. That's a Body Spa Oxygenics shower head. Does not fit in that thing right. It's got its own holder, but I didn't put it up. If anybody remembers this stupid ring right here, that broke off, I think, last trip, but I'm glad, because the stupid thing, you couldn't get in here to drain the hose right, because it was connected up there and it always had a loop right here. Now what did break was the connector on that hose right there. It's actually in the hose and feeds up in here. Now it's just plastic. Don't ask me how it broke, but there's a little a stem that fits down in there, and the little plastic thing broke, and it was leaking like crazy. So that was on the original hose. This is the Oxygenics hose, and it's no different. It's basically the same thing. It's a cheap plastic insert in there. So we're going to have to make sure that stays fixed. I think I'm going to get a second hose and see if I can get one a little shorter. I mean, this is overkill. This thing will reach out into the sink in the kitchen almost. So that did break on us right there. Alright, I took this apart. Here's that cheap little plastic insert right there. This tip broke off, and it's just jammed down in there. Goes with a washer and right up in there. So if you can get a metal one on the ends here, they're a little more money, but you might want to do it. Okay? So, a little tip for you here on that hose. Don't rush out to buy another one online. What I did shortly after getting back, a friend of mine, Greg, oh, how do you like it? He and I went out to the local flea market, and when we went around looking, I found 3 hoses for that shower. And so there's people out there that buy the new Oxygenic ones, take the old one out. They were original manufacturer type. And I bought one for $1 and another one for $2. So for $3 I have 2 hoses, and that second one for $2 had the original shower adapter, the hose. You could tell it was right out of an RV. Someone replaced it, probably never even used their original, put it right back in the bag. So don't go spend a fortune out there looking online. They're like $12, $15, something like that. Just check your local flea market or garage sales, Craigslist, just close by. All right, save yourself some money, but carry a spare. All right, happy camping, and do it Garland style. All right.